Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change your Trello board background, and it's really super easy. So simply start by jumping into the board that you want to customize. And right at the top right corner, there's going to be a 3-dot drop down menu, so simply click that. And just below settings, you'll then be able to see change background. So once you click that, Trello will then show you all your options, solid colors, gradients, and a bunch of photos from Upsplash. So if you're on Trello Premium, you can even upload your own custom image. So simply pick whatever you like and it updates instantly. No extra saving needed, and you can try as many as you want until it feels right. And that's it. So that's a simple way to make your board look exactly how you want. So I really hope you found this insightful, and if you did, make sure to leave a like and of course subscribe. Then we'll see you on the next one.